Let me come closer to the camera. Hey, everyone. I didn't really feel like doing anything today, but because of the love I have for y'all, I just decided to just share this new, one of my favorite chicken recipe. And that is why y'all need to just go right there, like that video, push out your comments, share some love. If you've not subscribed to this video, just subscribe to my channel. And I'm about to show you this right now. So I'm doing this for y'all. So just come with me. Let's go to the kitchen. I'll see you later. Peace. Guys, like you all know me, you know I love marinating. I marinate everything I do, my fish, my chicken, everything. This is the chicken right here, all cleaned up and all that stuff. But what's something, just take us to something real fast. These are the simple ingredients I'm going to be using. Don't say I didn't tell you, pay attention to it. Just pay attention to it. First thing I'm going to use today is my special sauce. And what I'm going to do right now is add my special sauce to it. So that guy right there, don't let it too much, just a little bit of it. I did have that guy right now, right? The next thing we want to do, just for flavor and just for taste, so it's gonna have that taste. I'm gonna add, but not really. Let me just say half teaspoon of salt, right? Half teaspoon of salt, just a little bit. And once you're done with that part, the next thing you want to add. If you know what suya is, I'm about to add, this is my suya sauce, my suya pepper. Add suya to it. So that guy right there. That guy is gonna make our chicken really hot. See that guy right there? Right? Once you're done with that part, the last thing I wanna add is, I'm gonna add mayonnaise. Add a full, let me add one more. Let me add a full, yeah, two scoops of mayonnaise, right? And once you're done with that part, the last thing we're gonna add is olive oil. We're gonna add olive oil, and this is it right here. Let me just take the guy out. I'm not gonna spray it. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna marinate this guy all night. Will that make sense? I've been marinating this guy all night, but right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix everything. So this guy right here. And the people were asking, why do you put mayonnaise? It's so my chicken or whatever I'm trying to marinate can be tender, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's why I did it. You see that guy right there? So everything does look good. And what I'm gonna do next is, oh yeah, I'm missing something. Watch something real fast. If that makes sense. I have something right here. I'm gonna be adding lime to it. Half lime, right? Add a little bit of half lime to it. And one more thing, half lemon. Oh my God, guys. Add that guy to it. See that? And once you're done with that, last thing you want to do is all together. See that? Mix everything together. And once you're done mixing everything together, I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge all night. I'll see you on the grill tomorrow. Stay safe. So this is where we have to like put right there. That's all right. That's all we need.